Cryptoyang gang, I hope y'all been listening to me. I hope the whole world has been listening. Alright, so earlier I made a video about Lendconnect. That was a few hours ago. A good while ago, actually. Not too long. It's been a few hours. And at that time, I think Lendconnect was around $9.50. Look at what it's at right this second. I'm blown away by the growth. The price is just flying, man, to the moon. Let's see. So look at the chart. Look at the graphs. Look at the chart, man. As you can see, it's starting to make a little bit of a cup formation here. You know, cup and handle might be in order here soon, and then to the moon. Even if it doesn't moon then, it might moon now. You see a little bit of resistance here and here. Currently at its resistance right here. Man, it got a pretty big wall at 100,000 sats of just one Bitcoin, though. It's not a huge wall, I wouldn't say. As you can see, it's a good bit of buy orders here. A lot bigger buy orders than sell orders. We got some sell orders, but I mean, this thing is gonna fly. If y'all jumped in at $9.50, I mean, it's currently almost at $11. You know, I mean, if you do the math, that's a good bit. $11 minus $9.50 is obviously $1.50. So that's you know, it's jumping, man. It's flying. Look, earlier, if you looked at my video, I think I had 1,400 and change with these LCTs that I have in this account. And now that it's $11.04, I'm almost at $1,700. I mean, that's just from me holding it in here, and I expect this price to go to at least $20. A lot of people are saying $50 to $70, which is not that far away. I mean, you know, the high, the last all-time high was, I believe, $40. So, I mean, we're at 25% of that right now. It can easily pump right up, and because of the low total supply of 6.5 million, that's very easy for it to fly. Jump in. Lendconnect, I have the links in my description. I have a video of Lendconnect. It's a hot lending platform, growing with probably over 50,000 platform users now. People already have their loans in, have gotten cashed out. Whoever tells you it's a scam just doesn't want to jump in, and they're too scared to make some money. I'm not a professional advisor or consultant, though. This is all educational. This is for you to do your own research. You need to do your own research. I am not telling you what to do with your money, but if I were you, I'd be putting money in LCT. You can go to coinexchange.io. I have the link in the description for that as well if you don't have a CoinExchange account yet. You could transfer your BTC or Ethereum, because there's actually an Ethereum pairing as well, so you can actually buy it with Ethereum. I prefer Ethereum personally. You're going to need to put Ethereum in your account on Lendconnect anyway, for you to be able to deposit from your coin exchange into this platform. You would get on this website, you would join it, and you would go right here. Make sure you got 0.005 Ethereum. I would put a little more just to be safe. And then just deposit to the address that they give you right here. You can deposit both Ethereum and Lendconnect to it. So that's just me trying to put you on. If you don't want to jump on, don't jump on. That's cool. But this is what I'm on right now. $10.99. It's going down a little bit. It had support at $10 for a couple hours. Shot up to $11. It looks like $11. $10.90 is going to be its support now. So, you know, you could either buy it as just a coin and wait for it to double up and sell it, or you can use it to grow money. I mean, that's basically what we're doing. This is space mining. If y'all don't know about that, I got a video on that too. But yeah, jump in before you miss your ticket to the moon, man. Cryptoyang gang signing out. Just an update on that. Just want to let y'all know.